Hello everyone, in this worksheet the topic is shapes. So here we are introducing the shapes. Identify the shapes. Our books, our doors, windows, chairs, cycles and everything around us have shapes. Look around and identify the shapes. Say the name of the shapes and color them. So over here the child has to say the name of the shapes and they have to color them. So first is triangle. Then they have to color the given shape. They can use any color, either sketch pen or pencil colors or crayons to do the same. Square, circle, rectangle, star, heart. And after reading or after saying the name of the shapes, they have to color each of them. Also emphasize them on looking at the real life pictures of some images which are given over here which resembles those shapes. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को शेप्स का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है. बच्चों को दिए गए शेप्स के नाम बोलने हैं और उसके बाद उसको कलर करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recall shapes. Over here, match the following. So the child has to match the shapes, the given shapes with their respective shapes. So first is rectangle over here, then square over here, circle over here, triangle over here, star over here and heart over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए शेप्स को कनेक्ट करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is identify triangle shape. Trace the shape and fill color in it. So over here the child has to trace the shape and then they have to fill color in it. This is a triangle. So first of all, the child has to trace the given shape over here like this. And after that they have to color this whole shape, that is the triangle shape. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिया गया जो ट्रायंगल शेप है उसको ट्रेस करना है, उसके अंदर कलर फिल करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is recall triangle shape. Circle all the triangles in this worksheet. The child has to circle all the triangles and one is given for them to refer. Next is this one. Over here, here and in the last row there are again two more triangles. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को ट्राइंगल्स को फाइंड करके उनको सर्कल करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज आइडेंटिफाई सर्कल शेप. ओवर हियर ट्रेस द शेप एंड फिल कलर इन इट. This is a circle. So over here the child has to trace the given circle shape like this. And then again the bigger circle over here. Over here as well on the right hand side. And after that they have to color this both circles and complete the worksheet. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिया गया जो सर्कल शेप है उसको ट्रेस करना है और फिर उसके अंदर कलर करके उनको वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Everyone, in this worksheet, the topic is recall circle shape. Make a smiley on all the circles. One is done. So over here the child has to make a smiley similar to the given one over here and they have to do the same on all the circles. So over here, then over here. So first of all they will identify the circle shapes in the given worksheet and then they have to draw the smileys. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए सर्कल्स में स्माइली ड्रॉ करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify square shape. Trace the shape and fill color in it. This is a square. Over here, the child has to trace the given shape over here, and after that they have to color the squares. That is, fill in the color in the given squares. So there are 4 squares over here. So first of all they have to trace it and after that they have to color it. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो दिए गए स्क्वायर्स है उसको ट्रेस करना है और उसके बाद उसके अंदर कलर फिल करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. वो लोग कोई भी कलर कर सकते हैं, क्रेयॉन्स या तो पेंसिल कलर को यूज करके. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recall square shape. Over here, put red dot on all the square and blue dot on all the triangles. So over here, the child has to put red dot on all the squares as shown over here. So first is here. They have to first identify the square shapes and then they have to put a red dot like this. After that they have to identify the triangle and then they have to put a red dot on the triangle as shown over here, that is on all the triangles. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को स्क्वायर शेप आइडेंटिफाई करके उसके ऊपर एक रेड डॉट करना है और ट्राइंगल शेप आइडेंटिफाई करके उसके ऊपर एक ब्लू डॉट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify star shape. Trace the shape and fill color in it. So over here the child has to trace the star shape. This is a star. So over here they have to trace all the star shape given over here and then they have to color those stars like this. Similarly, they have to do it for all the given stars over here. They have to trace it and after that they have to color the given stars like this. They have to do the same for all the given stars over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिया गया जो स्टार शेप है उसको ट्रेस करना है और उसके बाद उसके अंदर कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is recall star shape. Over here, the child has to sparkle all the stars. One is done. So they have to sparkle all the stars as shown over here. So again they have to do like this wherever the star shapes are given. So first of all they have to identify all the star shapes and then they have to sparkle all the stars. Similarly over here and over here as well. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को सारे स्टार शेप को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और फिर उसके आसपास स्पार्कल बनाना है जैसे यहाँ पे दिया गया है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज आइडेंटिफाई रेक्टेंगल शेप. Trace and color the rectangles in the given picture. So first of all the child has to trace the given rectangle over here and after doing that they have to color the picture over here and after doing this they have to color both the rectangles over here like this and complete the worksheet. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए जो रेक्टेंगल शेप्स है उसको ट्रेस करना है और उसके बाद उसके अंदर कलर फिल करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recall rectangle shape. Color the rectangle shape over here in this worksheet. The child has to color all the rectangle shapes. So first is this one. So they can use crayons or pencil colors to do the same. Next is this. Then this one. And this one. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को रेक्टेंगल शेप को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसको कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. In this worksheet, the topic is identify heart shape. Over here, trace and color the heart shape. This is a heart. So over here, the child has to trace the given heart shape over here. And after tracing, they also have to color this shape. So they can use any color to do the coloring over here. They can choose any color of their own choice. They can use crayons or pencil colors to color this shape over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिया गया जो हार्ट शेप है उसको ट्रेस करना है और फिर उसके अंदर कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. और ये वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करने के बाद बच्चों को हार्ट शेप का रिकॉल हो जाएगा. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recall heart shape. Color all the heart shape in red color and star shape in yellow color. So over here, the child has to color all the heart shape in red color like this. And they have to do the same for the rest of the heart shapes which are given over here. And then they have to color all the stars, that is the star shapes in yellow color. So they have to do the same for the rest of the star shapes given over here. That is, they have to fill in the red color in the heart shape and yellow color in the star shapes and complete this worksheet. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को हार्ट शेप में रेड कलर करना है और स्टार शेप में येलो कलर करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज रिवाइज शेप्स. कलर द मैचिंग शेप. ओवर हियर द चाइल्ड हैज टू कलर द मैचिंग शेप. सो फर्स्ट इज दिस वन, द रेक्टेंगल. नेक्स्ट इज द स्टार. आफ्टर दैट the triangle. Next is heart. And after that it's the circle. So they have to match the shape and they have to color it. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो मैचिंग शेप है, जो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड जो शेप्स दिए गए हैं उसके मैचिंग शेप्स को सिलेक्ट करके उसको कलर करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन. इन दिस वर्कशीट द टॉपिक इज रिवाइज शेप्स. ओवर हियर क्रॉस आउट द शेप दैट डज नॉट मैच. वन इज डन. So over here the child has to find the similar shape and then they have to cross out the shape that does not match. So over here this is circle and this is a star. Rectangle, rectangle and a circle. So they have to cross out the circle. Star, star and a triangle. So they have to cross out the triangle. Heart, heart and a star. So they have to cross out the star. Square, square and a circle. So they have to cross out the circle. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को जो शेप दिए गए शेप से मैच नहीं हो रहे हैं उसको क्रॉस आउट करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू.